In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. Dashboards are incredibly powerful tools for understanding and visualizing your data in real time. They're especially useful when you want to consolidate information from multiple datasets into a single, easy-to-read format. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is set up your base, which is essentially the foundation of your data. Think of your base as the main container where everything lives. Within your base, you'll organize your data into tables. Each table will represent a different dataset, such as projects, sales, or tasks. Inside these tables, you have fields, which are your columns for things like status, owner, date, or revenue. The individual entries in these columns are called records, and they form your rows. Ensuring your data is clean and structured not only enhances your dashboard, but makes the building process significantly easier. Next, you'll open the Interface Designer. To do this, navigate to your Airtable base and click on the Interfaces button located at the top left. From there, click on Create an Interface. You'll encounter a few layout choices. You can opt for Dashboard, Record Review, or start with a blank interface. While starting with the dashboard might be tempting for a quick setup, using the blank option provides maximum flexibility for customization, which is highly recommended if you want a truly bespoke dashboard. Once you've decided on your layout, it's time to add the elements to your dashboard. Here you can really bring in the data visualization aspects by dragging and dropping various components. These key components may include charts like bar, line, or pie charts to visually represent your data trends. You can also add number summaries for items like total revenue or tasks completed, and record lists for filtered views. Pivot tables and timeline views add even more depth. And the great part is that each widget connects directly to your Airtable data, so everything is updated in real time. Filtering and customizing your data is where your dashboard truly becomes powerful. You can add filters to show specifics like only this month's sales and use grouping to cluster information by status, owner, or category. Sorting your data to better fit your needs is equally crucial. Interactive filters, such as drop-downs that users can change, bring about a more dynamic experience. And personalizing views for different teams ensures everyone sees what they need. Designing the layout is also important. You have the freedom to resize and move widgets as you see fit. Think in sections. Your top section might contain key performance indicators. The middle could show trends or charts, and the bottom dives into detailed records. Using headings and text blocks enhances clarity and understanding. Finally, adding permissions and views is vital for controlling who sees what. You can assign interface access by specific users or roles. This allows you to create different dashboards for different teams. The sales team, for example, might have access to a revenue dashboard, while the operations team could have a dashboard focused on tasks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a custom dashboard in Airtable tailored to meet your unique needs and preferences.